Good. So, Mohammed, we request you to speak loudly so that your voice can be recorded properly in this recorded format.
Sure.
Alright. So, Mohammed, it's been how long that you are staying at your place?
It's been almost 6 months since I've been staying at my place because after this COVID pandemic, I have to move back to my hometown and get away from my current position of working there. And afterwards, till the situation was got normal, I was stayed at my home, and now I'm back in Delhi to get better opportunities for my career and again.
Okay, that's good. So, we will start with 5 basic questions, and you can take 1 minute to 1.5 minutes maximum for
Sure,
these questions each.
sure.
Let's start with the first question. Mohammed, what do you think are the key skills required in this 21st century?
Okay, so in this 21st century, there are some essential key skills that I think are very much needed. One of them, in which I give the most importance, are communication, because in this today's generation, there has to be a good communication skills needed, no matter in what industry they are, whatever they are doing, whether they are studying, they are working. They need to have good communication skills to move forward in their life and get better opportunities. And also in this 21st century, we are getting more into technical stuff, more into computers and all, instead of using physical and manual work. We need to have a good knowledge, a good education about computers, how to operate them, how to get the basic knowledge, at least have basic knowledge about them, so that we can survive in this 21st century era. Yeah.
Okay. And the next question for you is, what have you learned from this pandemic that you will implement in your life?
Well, in this pandemic situation, was a major situation was staying at home and staying alone. So the most important thing that I learned from them is the food essentials, because you never know when you can be alone in your life. You need to have a proper way how to prepare a meal. If you don't know how to cook, how to make things for yourself, how, you cannot survive in those conditions. You're either spending a lot of money by ordering outside, or you can just learn to cook a proper meal by yourself, so you can save also money and be in a good health by eating good food that you can be preparing by yourself. uh, that's all.
Okay. The third question for you is, if God wants to make you one piece, which one will you choose and why? Fire or air?
Okay, so it's a pretty interesting question, and I never thought about it. But if I get a choice between these two, I will choose to be a fire, because being a fire person, I think I will hold a lot of powers in myself. Uh, Being a fire, there's a lot of potential element that I can control. I can also evaporate water and make energy out of it by using thermal energies and all. And with the power of heat, I can also be a better making things evaporate and all. That's why I will choose to become a fire.
Okay. The fourth question for you is, if you are made the world richest person, please explain two things, including what and how you would change in this world.
Okay, if I get an opportunity to become the richest person in the world, I one of the major thing that I will put my focus on is to providing education to poor people who cannot afford to be educated, or there are a lot of people who cannot get education. That's one of my major components will be, my major focus will be that I will provide better and better opportunities, better education to those unfortunate people. And second of all is food, because food is essential, and I have learned in many ways during this pandemic that food is essential, and there are many people who cannot even afford to have one single meal in a day. So I will definitely look forward into these focusing education and food.
All right. And this is the last question for you. How can a person improve the least
Okay, so to improve their weaknesses in anyone's life, the major factor is to first admitting that you have those kind of weaknesses, because there are people who cannot admit the fact that yes, they have their weaknesses and they cannot improve on it. So first thing that they need to do is to admit that the fact that they have these weaknesses, and afterwards they have to look into the matter, how it is a weakness, how can they improve themselves, and what are the necessary things that need to taken care of, so that their weaknesses can might be turned into strength, or if not the strength, then it not be, at least should not be a weakness for them. And to do that, in order to do that, they need to w- keep practicing on that factor, that keep improving and getting to know that and improving themselves.